This is how you're going to use Temu coupon. First, you're going to go ahead and add items you want to your cart. So for example, I want to add this one. I'm just going to add it to my cart. And then from here, I'm going to click on add now. Now from here, I'm just going to choose the item that I want. I want this pink one. And then I'm going to click on add now once again to confirm. Now I'm going to get to my cart, and then I'm going to click on this checkout button. Now from here, just going to continue to click on continue to checkout, and then from here on the order confirmation page, you will see your shipping address as well as the payment methods. You're going to scroll down toward the bottom of that screen until you see the section labeled apply coupon code. So we're just going to scroll down right here, and then you will see this apply coupon code button. We're just going to click on that, and if you already have coupons saved to your account, they will usually appear here automatically. You can simply select the one that gives you the best discount, and if you have a specific code from a friend or promotion, you can also just type it in here in the text box and then hit apply. You will see this discount reflected into your order summary immediately right here. As you can see, from 540 pesos, and it's now down to 352. Once you're happy with the price, you can just tap on submit order and you're all set. And that's it. That is how you're going to use Temu coupon. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.